Set on a professionally landscaped 2.5-acre wooded lot in the Quail Hollow neighborhood of Saunderstown, this lovely 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath colonial home has been meticulously maintained and updated. A gorgeous 2-story foyer with its turned staircase welcomes you into the home. Elegant hardwood floors stretch into the sunny formal living room and into the dining room that is gracefully defined with a border of inlaid cherry, a fabulous tray ceiling, and picture frame wainscoting. The kitchen features stainless steel appliances, an abundance of storage, a casual dining area, and opens to the family room that has lovely floor-to-ceiling windows and a splendid stone fireplace. Completing the main level is the study, a half bath, as well as a mudroom and laundry room. Step out to the expansive deck and enjoy privacy and tranquility while dining al fresco or relaxing in the hot tub. A shaded deck, accessed from the lower level family room, provides even more outdoor space. The second level offers a master suite with its generous-sized walk-in closet, a private bath with a jetted tub, and a walk-in shower. A second suite along with 2 additional bedrooms and a hall bathroom complete the second floor. The versatile lower level has a room currently in use as a gym, a recreation room with sliders that open out to the backyard, an office nook, and plenty of storage space. This home feels miles away, but is just minutes to the highway, high-rated public and private schools, and shopping. Visit historic Wickford Village with its quaint shops and fabulous dining. Enjoy the cultural riches of Newport and the iconic beaches of Narragansett. Take the commuter train from nearby Wickford Junction to Boston or drive to Providence in less than 30 minutes and experience all the vibrant arts and entertainment. For more information, please call Ellen Castle at area code 401-451-7848 or Lynn LaFray at area code 401-662-9818.